Hey guys, I'm recording this late at night, so excuse the excuse the fact that I'm not going to be testing anything today. But I will be making videos, or potentially videos, of the alarms in here. Or I have two boxes. We're going to do a 2-in-1 unboxing today. So, let's open this. I don't want to damage these boxes because these will be useful for something needing to send out. Or, yeah. So I have no clue what's in here. Alright, here we go. So this is a pretty cheap eBay find. This is a BRK. Oh my goodness, what happened here? What is this for? I guess it's for the battery. This is a BRK 2002 RAC. This is a photoelectric. Oh, there's a date on here, June 27th. Made in 2000. This is a pretty late one, actually. This could do code 3, actually. That would actually be pretty interesting if this did code 3. So, yeah, I didn't notice the date, but this is a photoelectric 86 RAC. It has the 5919-2839 look to them. This does have bases, brackets and stuff, but this one didn't come with one, but I didn't need it. Same with the harness and everything, because I already have harnesses and brackets and stuff. I got this for only $8, so this is a pretty easy snatch for me. So that was probably the main thing I wanted to unbox for this video. 2 is this. This one I actually bought right from Sydney. And I actually needed this over a Kita version. I've had the Kita version for some time. So quickly get this open. Good thing I have bubble wrap. This is a Code 1 2000 Model E. So we can take a look at this. I didn't even notice the shape of the box. It's kind of a cool shape to them. Anyways, here it is. This is a Model E. You've seen these before. This is the original version of the KSA, I think 700. I don't remember exactly, but they also come with a couple of these ever-ready AA's, which I don't think I've ever seen before. So that's interesting. Here's the manual for it. And the mounting hardware it came with. So that's the Model E. It does come with a bracket as well, so this one's not very much different from the other one I got. And then lastly, probably the rarest thing out of all of them. However, I don't know for sure if I'm keeping this. We'll see what happens in the near future. I might keep this, I might not. Right now I'm not, but it could be changed. So we'll see. And I think this also came new in the box as well. Yes, it did. I'll be using this stuff as well for packing something else. So here is an 86 RAC again, or rather SA86RAC, a sub-branded variant. But this one is a bit different, so let's pull this out. So, well, first of all, here's your manual. Looks pretty standard, self-explanatory. Now, it may look simple, just your normal average 86 RAC. The battery's still in it, I just realized. It's interesting. So this may look like your normal 86 RAC, right? Wrong. This one's actually a push-in terminal variant. And the reason why I'm getting rid of this, or potentially getting rid of this, is because this is a first labeled one. I'm very picky. I want BRK. I want BRK everything, so I want to find an original BRK labeled version of this. So that's why one of the reasons why I'm not keeping this. The button seems to be kind of broken, it looks like, but I'm sure that could easily be fixed. Yeah, this button's kind of messed up. So, but the person I'm sending this to will probably potentially fix it. It does have the plastic sensor, so. So that was the quick little unboxing video, of these 3 alarms. Just a little non-test unboxing video. I am going to be making a video on the 2002 RAC, since this one was kind of like a must-have for me because I have all the other ones. So, yeah, that was that quick little unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.